Right here is the Catalina battery pack. This is a 52 volt, 30 amp hour, safety BMS fuse mold. Right here, there's an Apple AirTag anti-theft slot. You can turn it on and off right here. Double C port, locked for the battery packs. We're in the final stage to complete all the first batch of the Ristretto 512s. I'll see you guys in the next update. Hello everyone, we're here live from the factory. Right next to me you guys can see some of the Ristretto 512s that we've been using for training purposes. For those who haven't seen the Bronzo, here's an 820 and Bronzo. I also have a video showing how the master key unlock and lock the Catalina battery pack. Sanchi just got here, first time here in the factory. He landed in Hong Kong and he traveled here today. It's going to be his first time seeing the 512 production. Sanchi was in charge of the production of the 303FS in Detroit, and he came here from the Dominican Republic just to make sure everything it's on point. Look at him right there.
What up?
Ah, pues ya tú lo conoces.
Yeah, I know him from vacation in Tahiti.
El río fluye, nunca solo está, solo está.
I do.
El río fluye, nunca solo está,
So all the frames are ready.
solo está.
Rocco suspension technology. So it starts here. They put the electric harnesses. Serial batch.
A veces rugiendo va, rugiendo va. Cuando el enojo aumenta, el árbol se cortará.
And you are not sure whether the more than one more than
access to check the power or the speed or something like that. Maybe from like here to here.
I know there is one from the.
So who knows?
Yeah,
So,
what we did, we haven't have to ask.
engineer. So it's from Taiwan
Yeah.
factory. So tomorrow he will come here, and then I ask them to teach her the work operator how to adjust which parallel is the best one. And
Okay.
then teach them, and then include this kind of the issue.
I do have an air pressure here.
Yeah, here
And
how to
we-
tax.
Yeah, I have
Yeah,
it.
You have, right?
Yeah.
In future, I like them to give us a tax tool for us, and then we can tax in here.
Okay,
IPQC and also on. So
Yeah, that
tomorrow
work-
you come here.
that works. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so assembly line is pack of Ristretto 512 first edition. Electric harness getting assembled. This is probably the most difficult part of the whole assembly process. All right, so here's where everything starts in the assembly line. Right now they're putting the bike on this stage, locking it in. So here what they do is installing the electric harness. This is probably the most difficult part. Right here you can see the electric harnesses there. It's just a little bit complicated, but I think they're getting it faster. We just got all these bikes on and it seems like they're moving faster. After they put the electric harness, it goes to this station. The best position of the bike to install the motor is upside down. They also installing the brake sensor, speed sensor. Right behind me, we got here today the A20s. This is the small version. This is the 20 inches wheel size. On Arctic, first edition. Right now they're installing the headlights and the front fenders. Yeah, right here is what they do in each stage. So you guys can tell right there, they're adjusting the chain tensioner, the motors. Right here is brakes. This is a green Schusterman. On this station, they're doing the kickstand. Green Schusterman as well. Another green Schusterman, also installing the brakes. Black Pantera. And another green Schusterman. Saddles arrive tomorrow. Right here we're lining up the bikes. So basically we're moving forward and the saddles will be installed tomorrow together with the rear lights. So one of the components that caused a delay, one of many, were the saddles. They just arrived today. Here are the saddles for the green Schusterman. This one specifically have the golden stitches. Here you can see the screws, the holes for the screws that go all the way through the fenders, spoiler, rear lights, and go all the way until the saddle. Yeah, this was the last component missing on the bike. And from there, I'll show you guys the master box right now. They just got the first samples right here, so we can ship accessories. There's going to be a delay with the accessories, which we're going to go only a month after. Have to wait 30, 45 days. So we just received the first samples of the accessories of the master box, rack, windshield. Very nice finish, well protected. It's the way we wanted to do it. Came out pretty nice.
No, traje yo. I don't know which one is better.
This is a windshield. Not the box. This is the brake.
Right.
Right.
Ask her about the windshield.
Yeah.
Forgot the windshield.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So then we will
Yeah.
go.
For option.
All right, so we're in the factory. The production of the Ristretto 512, it's ongoing. Right now we're assembling the A20s. One of the things that we decided to do when we came into this industry is design and engineer as much as components as we can. In this case, we created this company, Mile High Tires. This is our own design. We design and engineer this tire. These are puncture-resistant tires. This is our own design, this thread. It's quite hard to get a puncture in this tire. So something that we've been working on is a new company that we have is Rocco Suspension Technology. We're basically working with the guys from D&M. They're right here. You guys can see right here. We're in open discussion for adjustments and new designs that we have for the double crown front fork suspension. We're taking things to the next level all around the bike, including suspension. These guys are the best. It's quite challenging engineering this type of component, but at least if we can work out the aesthetics and make the adjustment and be preferable specifically for this product, we'll do it. We'll get it done.
EMM 的我们想找我们。这个就是你的车架。
Hi, this is Jenny. I'm calling to check the status on my order.
March 28, we're in the factory. Walk with me. 100 bikes in the floor. It's crazy to see all these bikes line up. We're gonna start putting the saddles, rear lights, and fenders later today. We already started doing some A24s, and it's crazy seeing all these bikes pretty much in the final stage. And I just want to take the moment to, I know I've said it a few times already, but I really appreciate everyone that's been hanging out with us for a while. I know we had multiple delays, but we really wanted to get it right, and it's happening. So pretty soon, looking forward to have you guys riding. Hello everyone, Chris and Dominic here. We're at the factory. Right behind me, you guys can see all the 820s. All these bikes have been already tested. I'll make sure I drop another video showing you guys our quality control process before they go to packaging. Now you guys can see the new updated saddle, up fenders, spoiler, rear lights, everything works perfectly. Dominic has in his hand, this is the key box. As you guys can see, this is something very special we've been working on. This is gonna come in the master box. Dominic, if you wanna walk them through it.
Yeah, so we just received the carbon fiber key box. As you can see on both sides, you have a button. Once you click on them, you can open the key box, and you have included your ID card and the Catalina battery pack key. So we're very excited to get you guys riding soon, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.
summer's night.